Hi there, Tweetie here. Down below in the description we have links, we have playlists. You need to be careful about the websites you go to about prepping. If you see that they're selling things at an exorbitant rate or more than you can afford, sure, something for $10 or $20 is not so bad, but when they're selling stuff for $50 to $500 to try to get you to get in with their stuff or their training or whatever, run away from that site. Glean what you can that's free, but run away as far as the money goes. The first book of John in the Bible tells the apostles of a test to recognize false teaching masquerading as truth. You might want to go look at that. It's an amazing book, because if it's good teaching, it will not be asking you for a lot of money, because love is supposed to be shared, not ripping your pocketbook apart. Anyway, if you like these tips, give us a thumbs up. If you want to hear more, subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Angels all around.